loves, welcome to Women 50 and Beyond. Yes, I have the Pocahontas braids in because I didn't want to do my hair. I wasn't really feeling up to it this morning to do my hair to do this video. But today, as you can see on the video, I'm about to make a wig. Now, if you are new, welcome to my channel. If you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Tara Love Diva. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the wig. I've been making wigs forever and a day. My wigs I have not put anything like on a website or so. Most of my wigs has wigs and lashes. I've been doing it word of mouth. I never really posted things saying that, hey, my wigs are X, Y, and Z. Hey, check out my wig line. Now, hi, this is Tara Love Diva Collection, and I am a wig maker. I also do bundles. I also do clip-ins. I also do sew-ins. With that being said, I have right now in stock body wave and straight hair. I will put pictures up here showing the body waves and the straight hair. Coming soon will be the curly hair. So I'm only on here to show you how I create a wig. Now this wig thing, excuse the wig thing because it's kind of wiggy. This is a 22. My head is a 21, something like that. Anyway, where's my measuring tape? So for instance, if you want a wig, I use dome caps. I do the ventilated ones and I do the ones for the winter. When I measure my head, I only do the circumference around the head. So if you want a wig, you measure your head and it tells you the wig size. Okay, the wig size. That's not right. Oh, that's because my hair. I just slapped this wig on. So this is a 22 inch. That's because my natural hair under this wig is making it bulky. So if you have your hair either cornrowed or wrapped and put the wig cap on, measure with both hairstyles however you choose to wear your wig. This, I just slapped it on. So it's a 22. This head here for circumference is a 22. We got a 22 right here. Let me mark this that way. No, it's a 22. Right there. Then you mark you measure from your baby hairs, a little over your baby hairs, because normally you don't put the wig on your baby hair because that pulls your hair out. So from here to, hold on, I'm going to show you on the mannequin. From here to the back of your neck where you end the wig. That's a 14. So you're going from here, and this is to show you how to do the wig cap. Oh no, my bad, it was a 13, not a 14. So from the mark here all the way back down to where it says 13. I'm gonna do 13 and a half because once again my hair is under the wig. So I'm gonna mark it from here all the way down to here. That way we know where to put the wig cap. Now from ear to ear, normally you don't need to do all of this, but I do because I like to know when I'm doing a 13 by 4. From ear to ear. Make sure it's over your ear. Yeah. 13. It's usually 12. So from, let's say ear to ear, it's 13. That's crooked. Okay, so we got 13 here. That's ear to ear. So that's that. So now when you're putting the wig cap on, make sure you have stick pins. I have enough stick pins. So make sure when you're doing your wigs, I'm not really teaching you how to do a wig. I thought I was filming, but I had to make sure that the 4x4 is flat, even and flat, because you don't want it to be bulky when you sew it, so you have to make sure it's flat. Now what I'm going to do is